Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master English Hub, the place where you unlock the secrets of English grammar and communication. Today, we're diving into a very powerful tense, the future perfect. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand it, you'll be able to use it confidently in your own sentences. 1. Definition. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be completed before a specific point in the future. Formula. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Third form. Example. By 2025, she will have graduated from university. 2. When do we use it? To show completion before a future time. Example. By the time you arrive, I will have finished my homework. To make predictions about the past seen from the future. Example. He's late. By now, he will have taken the wrong train. In time expressions with by, before, in, when. Example. By next month, they will have built the new bridge. 3. Signal words and phrases. The future perfect often appears with. Example. By tomorrow, by 2026, by next week. Before. In. Plus time period. In 2 years, in an hour. As soon as. Examples. By next year, we will have moved into our new house. She will have left before you arrive. 4. Structure and examples. Affirmative. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Example. I will have finished my book by Sunday. Negative. Subject plus will not, won't. Have plus past participle. Example. She won't have completed the report by the deadline. Question. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus object. Example. Will you have learned 100 words by next week? 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Confusing future perfect with future simple. Examples. I will finish my work tomorrow. Future simple equals just the future. By tomorrow, I will have finished my work. Future perfect equals completed before tomorrow ends. Forgetting the past participle form. This structure, I will have eat, is wrong. Correct. I will have eaten. So you need to learn the irregular verbs. 6. Practice exercise. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. 1. By 10 p.m. she finish her assignment. 2. They travel to 5 countries by the end of this year. 3. Will you learn enough grammar by the time the exam starts? Answers. 1. Will have finished. 2. Will have traveled. 3. Will have learned. Let's quickly review. The future perfect equals will have plus past participle. It's used to talk about actions completed before a specific future time. Watch out for keywords like by, before, and in. Master this tense, and you'll sound much more precise and advanced in English. Great job today. You've just mastered the future perfect tense with Master English Hub. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And here's a challenge. Write a sentence with the future perfect in the comments below. I'll check and give you feedback. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep mastering English.